So, okay, so continue. So, six, number 6. One should take care to pray quietly. Okay, so first we said he has to pronounce every word. Okay, we said that. Now he should pray quietly so that only he himself hears what he is saying. But his fellow standing next to him should not hear his voice. So let's read commentary and explain. One who prays loudly displays the lack of conviction that HaShem should hear him, right? Even if he would pray quietly. However, one who is praying alone may raise his voice if he cannot concentrate on his prayers otherwise. When praying with others, however, he must make sure not to disturb the prayers. See Shulchan Aruch 101.2, Mishnah Brura 6.8. Okay, with regard to the prayers, Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, Sibilo. Okay, we're going to get it. So let's try to understand what it says. So if you're in a place where people like right next to you, like I don't know, a few feet, like 1 meter away from you, so I mean they can hear whatever you say. So you must be quiet enough for them not to hear, and on the same hand, you have to loud enough for yourself to hear what you say. Basically, and some people they start like out loud. They try to I don't know whether it's like show off. I mean, so sometimes when you read like quietly and some word can slip, and you say like loudly. I mean, it's unintentional. 1 word, 2 words, like by accident. But some people like they read very loud. They try to concentrate, they sigh, all of this. So it's a theatrical show, no more than that. You understand? So continue. This is derived from the fact that it states with regard to the prayer of Chava, right? Of course, we know that the Shemoneh Esrei came from Chava. Shmuel 1:13. Only her lips moved, but her voice was not heard. So, okay, so let's read commentary and explain. While she was barren, Hannah, who would ultimately be the mother of Prophet Shmuel, visited Mishkan in Shiloh and poured her heart out in a prayer. Right? The verses of her prayers are expounded by the sages to teach many important halachas of the proper form of the prayers. Okay, so basically one more time, pray quietly, but you must hear, and you have to say each word separately.